Alright, so here I am. I have visited these units before, but I have not actually gotten a full look at them. But here are these ICPs or whatever running. All three of them are on today. These are unnamed. And this one has a GE motor. Scroll. I forget if these are heat pump. I think these are just air conditioners. 2009 PA14 5-ton. These are some really nice insulation. Right there. Another one. 2009 5-ton. That's cold. That's a Copeland scroll. And this last one over here. 2009 5-ton. Oh, this one's gonna need to go out. Frozen. Look at the compressor. It has a coat, as in a reverse coat around it. I call it reverse because it's not actually a coat. It's more of a time to get even colder coat. So that's why I call it a reverse coat. But yeah, anyways. Actually, these trains down here. That's right. I keep hitting the same video. Dang. Okay, well, at least one of these is running. This Trane XB series that's horribly rusted. Line scroll. 2009 5-ton XB13. That's good. Street cool unit. And then this one, which also has a line scroll compressor. See what motor? GE motor. This one's also 2009. So all these are 2009. That's right. All 2009 5-tons. They're just different brands, but all the same size and year, age and size. 2009 5-ton. Yeah. This one's actually running today. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out. I'm not going to that bank today. But yeah, because I don't do banks anymore. Thank you for watching, and over and out.